राधे राधे गाइस, स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल जिसका नाम है श्री जी। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है ऋतु एवं वातावरण ज्ञान के मेट्रोलॉजी। तो मेट्रोलॉजी क्या होता है? मेट्रोलॉजी इज अ साइंस दैट डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ चांसेस ऑफ फिनोमेना अकरिंग इन द एटमॉस्फेयर। द कंपोनेंट ऑफ मेट्रोलॉजिकल एनवायरनमेंट आर द एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर, एयर टेम्परेचर, ह्यूमिडिटी, एयर movement of clouds and rainfall. Climate is a measure of the average temperature variation in the meteorological environment in a given region over long period of time, while weather only describes the short time condition of the variable in a given area. Atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure of the Earth's surface close or to the sea level is 760 mg/Hg. This is called one atmosphere of pressure. Man is physiologically adapted to live at this pressure. The atmospheric pressure falls at the altitude increases and rises and the altitude decreases. Three type of barometers are used commonly with Fortis barometer, Q pattern, station barometer, and barograph to measure the pressure. Effect of atmospheric pressure on an high altitudes or mountains at an altitude of 10 lakh feet above sea level. The pressure is less than 10 mm of Hg. The partial pressure of oxygen is also reduced at high altitude. The man cannot survive at an altitude of 2500 feet without breathing equipment. At height above adjusts itself by some phenomena called acclimatization. They are increase in the aspiration, increase in hemoglobin concentration, increase in cardiac output. But sudden exposure to higher altitude above 10,000 feet result in acute mountain sickness or aviator sickness. This is characteristic by the headache, mental fatigue, irritability, loss of muscular coordination, insomnia, nausea, vomiting, breathlessness. In severe cases, there may be bleeding from nose, ringing in the eyes, palpitation, and even collapse. Excessive secretion of lymph result in hematoconcentration. Later, as the pulmonary edema develop, the respiratory become deep and irregular. Chinese stroke breathing. The person also develop oliguria, mental confusion, hallucination. Later, develop stupor, convulsion, coma, and that the treatment is carried out that the person to lower altitude as soon as possible. The low altitudes or the atmospheric pressure increases by 1 atmospheric for every 33 feet depth below the sea level. The effects are best observed in person working in diving bells, compressed air chambers, etc. At high pressure, the gases in the atmosphere such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen are dissolved in the blood and tissues, and the whole body is thus saturated with the air. Nitrogen except necrotic acid leading to loss of mental function and consciousness. The CO2 enhances the necrotic action of nitrogen. Excess of oxygen lead to convulsion and death. This is called Casson's disease. When the person comes up to the surface, the absorbed gases are released from the blood and tissue. Oxygen is retained and nitrogen is liberated, causing the bubbles in the tissue and gas embolism in blood vessels, resulting in fatality. This is called decompression sickness. The symptoms are euphoria, rapid breathing, nasal voice, hearing disturbance, chances in a sense of smell or taste, really hemorrhage from the mouth, tympanic cavity, or even from the lungs, severe pain in muscles and joint, vertigo, unconsciousness, or collapse. The treatment is given by recombination followed by the gradual decompression by Haldron or Steg method. Air temperature. The temperature of air varies many times a day, and also the different season. The factors which influence the temperature are latitude of the place, altitude, direction of wind, and proximity of the sea. The temperature of ground surface is always higher than that of air measurement. Thermometers are used for the air temperature measurement. They are of two types: mercury and the alcohol thermometers. The mercury thermometer are widely used because of the high boiling temperature and regular expansion. Alcohol had the advantage of a not solidifying even at the lowest known temperature. The mercury thermometer can measure its temperature only if it is protected from direct sunlight and rain and is exposure to free circulation of air. Therefore, it is usually placed in a special constructed box called Stravinsky screen. Following three types of thermometers are commonly used: dry bulb thermometers, a mercury thermometer used to measure air temperature; wet bulb thermometer. It is similar to dry bulb thermometer except that the bulb is kept wet by means of muslin cloths fed by the water. As the water from the muslin cloth evaporates, the mercury column comes down. Thus, the wet bulb thermometer show a lower temperature, leading maximum thermometer. Mercury thermometer keeps the maximum temperature of the day. Minimum thermometer is an alcohol thermometer which record the minimum temperature of the day. 6 maximum and minimum thermometer, it is a combination of above two thermometer which gives the difference of maximum and minimum temperature. Globe thermometer, ये ऐसा थर्मोमीटर होता है, सब करता है रेडिएट हीट को फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग. और ग्लोब थर्मोमीटर रिकॉर्ड करता है हाई टेम्परेचर देन द ऑर्डिनरी बल्ब थर्मोमीटर बिकॉज इट इज अफेक्टेड बाय बोथ द एयर टेम्परेचर एंड रेडिएंट हीट सराउंडिंग. Therefore, the difference between the reading of globe and the ordinary bulb thermometer is measured of the radiant heat. The globe thermometer is also influenced by the velocity of the air movement. Wet globe thermometer, in this thermometer, wet globe exchange heat with the surrounding by conduction, convection, evaporation and radiation, also called the cooling capacity of environment. Kata thermometer alcohol thermometer होता है. Both dry and wet thermometer are used in Kata thermometer measure करता है cooling power of dry Kata reading of 6 and above and a wet kata reading of 20 and above were recorded as indicate thermal comfort. Effect of air temperature on the health. Effect of heat stress, जैसे heat stroke होगा, hyperpyrexia, heat exhaustion, heat cramps के heat cyanops का. और लोग effect होते हैं breathing का, blackening of skin का, prickle effects का, sunburn वगैरह ये सब. ठीक है. उसके बाद अफेक्ट ऑफ कोल्ड क्या होगा. जनरल अफेक्ट जो होते हैं वो बीपी पे होते हैं, पल्स पे होते हैं, मसल पे होते हैं, रेस्पिरेटरी रेट पे होते हैं. लेटरल विल बी द हीमोसेंट्रिक ओलिगोरिया, मस्कुलर वीकनेस, hypothermia at 80 degree Fahrenheit, coma sets in 75 degrees Fahrenheit, death occurs following ventricular fibrillation, acute translatory inflammatory reaction when the body is exposed to cold temperature. There will be vasoconstriction of blood vessels followed by intermediate vasodilation. There will be pain, numbness and loss of sensation. There will be subsidal within a few hours after removal of from the exposure. The trench foot or immersion foot, this is used for the uncommon when the soldiers who used to strand in trenches for long period during First World War. Prolonged exposure to cold initially result in acute transitory inflammatory reaction later followed by vasodilation, transduction, hemoconcentratic platelet, tissue edema and gangrene may follow. Frostbite, this occur when exposed to temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 6 degrees Celsius. This is a freezing. The tissue and crystal of ice are formed between the cells. The skin appears pale, dull, opaque and yellowish. After removal from the temperature, there will be vasodilation and so a wheal is formed around the frozen area. There may be even blister formation. The skin appear pale, dull, opaque and yellowish after the removal from the temperature. There will be vasodilation and so a wheal is formed around the frozen area. There may be even blister formation. Prolonged deep freezing may lead to necrosis and weakening gangrene of the tissue. The treatment is warming and intake of hot fluid. The humidity, absolute humidity और कौन सी होती है relative humidity, तो इसका भी फर्क पड़ता है. The atmospheric humidity means the moisture content of the air which is in turn depend upon the air temperature. Lower the temperature of air, higher the moisture content and vice versa. The temperature with at which the higher moisture is precipitate is called dew point. The humidity is expressed in two ways, absolute and relative. The absolute is actual movement of moisture water vapor in an unit volume of air, grams per cube of air. Relative humidity is a percentage of moisture present in the air, complete saturation being taken as 100. Greater in the relative humidity, the air is near to saturation. The humidity has no effect on the health but has an effect on the comfort. If RH is more than 65%, air feels sticky and uncomfortable. The RH below 30% over long period result in drying of the nasal mucosa, predisposing for infection. So the RH between 30 to 65 constituent comfort zone. Air movement, the air velocity is measured by an instrument called anemometer. The direction of wind is observed by an instrument called wind wave. Wind velocities are normally recorded in an open flat country at a height of 10 meter. Velocities are measured in meter per second. The nomenclature is calm greater than 0.5 m per second, storm 15 to 20 m per second, slight breeze 3.3 m per second, gale 25 to 30 m per second. Cloud and weather observation, stronger wind be 10 meter per second or Urans 30 to 50 meter per second. Cloud and weather observation in the meteorological station. Clouds are observed for their form, amount, direction and height. Rainfall, the term precipitation is a collective term of rainfall, snow, hail, dew and frost. It is measured by rain gusts. The rainfall is measured in milliliters per a time unit. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक होगा इसके बाद का डिजास्टर मैनेज, आपदा प्रबंधन. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये कंप्लीट होगा. ये क्या था आपका मेट्रोलॉजी अर्थात ऋतु एवं वातावरण। ठीक है।